Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn on the heat mode on top of your Midea air conditioner, and I'm also going to explain to you what to do if you can't find the heating option. Now, first of all, before changing the mode, you need to make sure that your Midea AC is a heating and the cooling model. The cooling only units won't have the heat mode even if you keep pressing the mode button. On the compatible models, the heat mode is usually shown by the sun icon or the word heat on the remote or the display. So you need to first of all turn your air conditioner, and then on the Midea remote you just have to simply just keep on pressing this mode button repeatedly until you find heat written on the display or until you find the sun symbol on this display. Now when you find it over here, you just have to just simply stop pressing the mode button, and then you just have to start using these two temperature buttons. So for everyday comfort and better energy efficiency, you need to simply just increase the temperature, and you can set it between the 19 to 22 degrees Celsius, which is generally recommended. Then you need to press this fan button and you need to change the fan speed to auto. This allows the indoor unit to basically adjust the airflow automatically as the room warms up. On some of the Midea heat pump models, the indoor fan may not start immediately after selecting the heat mode. So that's how basically you will be able to turn on the heat mode on your Midea air conditioner. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.